In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to activate your Aircash card, a convenient feature that lets you use your Aircash balance for in-store purchases, online shopping, or ATM withdrawals. If you've just received your Aircash card, here's how to activate it. First, open the Aircash app and log into your account. If you're new to Aircash, make sure your account is fully set up and verified by linking your bank account or card. Next, navigate to the Card section within the app. You'll find an option to activate your physical or virtual Aircash card. If you're activating a physical card, locate the card number, expiration date, and CVV printed on the back of the card. Enter these details when prompted in the app. For virtual cards, activation is usually instant once you generate the card details in the app. Simply tap the Activate Virtual Card button, and your card will be ready to use immediately for online purchases. After activation, set a PIN for your card if required. This will allow you to use it at ATMs or for point-of-sale transactions. You can also customize settings like spending limits, transaction notifications, and freezing, unfreezing the card for added security. Once activated, your Aircash card is ready to use anywhere major cards are accepted. For physical cards, you can also enable contactless payments or link it to mobile wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using Aircash and managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and enjoy seamless spending with your Aircash card.